Yeah. The honest answer is that. Yeah.
But that is,
No, it's
that
not
is
a question
age,
of moron.
is
Why?
age to go
It's
to
not
the
a
school
question.
and study.
Yeah.
The 16 is the age to go to the school and study.
Currently, in all our laws, we
18.
is the age of the child, maximum age of the child. Has been
Voting
kept
right
as 18.
of child 18 years old. Maturity. You don't
It's a
compare with the
mental maturity. Mental maturity comes. This is what.
physical maturity. We can't say this physical maturity or the mental maturity. Any other question? Any other questions? We are free. Yes, please.
Good evening. I am Bindu. I am with the Hindu newspaper, and my question is to Mr. Narayan. I wanted to find out if WCD has received the Nirbhaya fund yet. Which are the various agencies that are supposed to be providing this fund? Will it be a recurring fund or is it a one-time payment? And if it is a one-time payment, how will you run the various schemes which are going to be funded by the scheme?
I think this is the question for the finance ministry, but I can understand whatever I can understand. That is 1,000 crore is a one-time fund, but we can use the interest of that fund in the welfare of women and children.
Ma'am, which are the agencies which will be paying it?
That will decide later on. Otherwise, I'm trying to getting this fund with my ministry for this National Integrated Women Resource Center. I have some papers with me, so I'll discuss with
Is
the
there a
finance
time
ministry.
frame under which the fund should be released to you? Is there a time frame under which the fund should be released?
Let me talk to the finance minister. Then after that, we can discuss within very, very fast.
Ma'am, last question here. I'm Arshad. I'm from Kashmir. See, there were a lot of suggestions from panelists here or from the audience that from here, certain area in Bengal or Kerala, there is trafficking. Can't you have any mechanism in your department to get these kind of suggestions or feedback so that you can act upon them and you can just go to the state government and see what's the action, or you can have a kind of a feedback on your website. I don't think your website is perfectly working when it comes to a complaint of any kind of harassment or sexual abuse there. So can we have some kind of a mechanism monitoring in your ministry through website so that there is a grievances are being addressed? कुछ ऐसा है कि आप इस पे ना सीरियसली वर्क करें ताकि जो भी
ये इसमें एक्चुअली ये कमीशन का वर्क है, जैसे नेशनल कमीशन फॉर वुमेन या बच्चों के लिए हमारा NCPCR है, नेशनल कमीशन फॉर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चाइल्ड राइट्स. These two commissions are working tirelessly for such complaints, and you can go to their sites and you will find all the information. So, as far as normal complaints are concerned, we have a system inbuilt in our website also, and we are entertaining those complaints. We are replying through our website and directly to them also. But that is in general on any subject. But these type of cases, especially, they are sent to the commissions, even if they are received in the ministry. But more of these complaints are directly being received by the commissions themselves, and they are handling it.
और दूसरा ये कंप्लेंट्स आए ही नहीं, इस चीज को रोकने के लिए जो अवेयरनेस हम लोग क्रिएट कर रहे हैं थ्रू NMEW, नेशनल मिशन एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ वुमेन, और थ्रू अहिंसा मैसेंजर्स. वी हैव ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड अहिंसा मैसेंजर एट द पंचायत ग्राउंड लेवल, पंचायत राज लेवल. पंचायती इलेक्टेड वुमेन्स आर अहिंसा मैसेंजर and village coordinators are Ahimsa messenger. Plus these sablas, I think more than 1 crore sablas are there. Those who are helping with this all Ahimsa messengers. ये जो sablas हैं, ये भी Ahimsa messenger के साथ मिलके grassroots level तक, village level तक जाके हमारे जो schemes हैं, उसके बारे में awareness देती हैं. वो भी एक हिस्सा है कि वायलेंस के अगेंस्ट, अगर कहीं डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस है या कहीं डाउरी की बात आ रही है या कहीं वायलेंस अगेंस्ट वुमेन, कुछ भी किसी तरह के वायलेंस चाइल्ड के अगेंस्ट है, तो वो जो हमारे अहिंसा मैसेंजर जगह जगह पे क्रिएट किया, भी कुछ जगहों में है, लेकिन मैं चाहती हूँ पूरे देश में, क्योंकि 1 करोड़ जो हमने सबला तैयार किए ना, वो इसीलिए तैयार किए। हमारे एनएमडब्ल्यू से विलेज कोऑर्डिनेटर हैं, उनको भी हमने इसी काम के लिए लगाया है कि इनके साथ मिलके वो काम करें। और मैंने कहा कि जो निर्भय फंड की बात आ रही है, या दूसरे हमारे पास है, या एनएमडब्ल्यू, हर जगह पे एक हम केंद्र खोलना चाह रहे हैं जहां हर तरह की प्रॉब्लम को, कलेक्टर ऑफिस में वो एक ऑफिस खोलेंगे जहां प्रोटेक्शन ऑफिसर भी बैठेगा, जहां हमारे विलेज कोऑर्डिनेटर भी आएंगे, जहां हमारे अहिंसा मैसेंजर्स भी वहां बैठेंगे। और किसी भी तरह की महिला को प्रॉब्लम है, किसी भी तरह की बात आएगी, उसको लगता है कि मैं एक जो फार्मर हूं, महिला किसान महिला को कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो उसकी कैसे दूर होगी। कोई ओल्ड एज वुमेन आती है कि मुझे पेंशन चाहिए तो उसको कैसे मिलेगा, उसको किन बारे में, उनकी जो हमारी स्कीम्स उसके बारे में बताने के लिए हमारे एक ऐसा सेंटर्स कुछ खुले हैं स्टेट में। अगर कहो तो मैं रत्ना प्रभा उनके एडिशनल सेक्रेटरी बता देंगे, और जगहों पे हम खोलने के लिए तैयार हैं, और इस फंड को हम यूटिलाइज करने के लिए तैयारी हमने पहले से की है।